Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. As you guys remember, I did this project, it's probably been just over a year now. I want to say probably March of last year. I have to look back at when I did this. I'll put that in the description. But here we are, full bloom. This is called the yellow trumpet tree. These are pretty decent blooms on this one. Also has these pods. If anybody knows much about these trees, but they got these sort of pods on there. Let that focus. Maybe. Maybe not. But this one has more pods on it. It's got several growing on it. And then this stuff here, I believe it's the firecracker. Absolutely wonderful. This thing blooms year round. They're getting nice and full. They've talked about that before, but they're just absolutely looking wonderful. This trumpet tree is just absolutely, we knew it was going to bloom. Let me get a nice far back shot for you. Just absolutely beautiful. The butterflies love it. The bees have been hitting it pretty hard as well. I've had the butterfly there. Absolutely beautiful. Can't say enough about these. So check out in local nurseries the yellow trumpet tree. It has a proper term. I don't know what it is off the top of the head. You guys look back at the other. I'll put the link to the other video in the description. We actually have one. Let me kind of zoom in over there. This tree, which is a more mature tree, bloomed I want to say 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it was pretty full, but I think the blooms on this one are just a lot fuller. And that one, the branches are starting to green up. This one, there's no, maybe at the top you'll see a little bit of green leaves growing, but there's no leaves on this just yet. Very, very small. Let me get a close-up of the actual trumpet for you. Just a beautiful looking flower. And then they're very tender, but beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I hope you guys like this update of the pretty much first bloom of the yellow trumpet tree. As you guys know, we planted this, and last year this was all, there was a big oak trees on this one as well as over here. They were both in really, really rough shape from hurricane damage. So we just decided to go ahead and take them out. Stump grounded all the stumps in both of these little areas. And then we added a bunch of very rich topsoil, compost that I had built up, and added that, mixed it in with the soil that was already here, with the mulch from the stump grindings, and it's wonderful fertilizer. We did put a little bit of starter fertilizer just for the tree. Actually mixed it in with everything, but we haven't touched it since. So pretty cool. Hope you guys like this follow-up video. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.